Hey, what's up internet marketer? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm gonna show you how to advertise on the Amazon KDP network the best way I know how. This isn't theory, this is something that I do personally to earn online to sell my KDP low content books, coloring books and activity books. So you're going to want to watch this video until the very end. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Be good. Okay, let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to your Kindle Direct Publishing account and scroll down to the book you want to promote on the advertising Amazon network. You want to go to this section right here. You want to click the three little dots and you want to choose promote and advertise. Where are you? Right here, promote and advertise. Very simple. Okay, this is by far the easiest platform to advertise on and the cheapest in my experience. And I currently also promote other products on other advertising networks. This is by far the cheapest. Okay, I'm just gonna go with good old Amazon.com. Click on that, click create an ad campaign, okay? Once I do that, I am gonna be taken to this new campaign setting. You wanna click on sponsored products, okay? Okay, this is a PPC network, right? For Amazon, that means you only pay if someone clicks on your ad, okay? You wanna click continue, okay? Now you wanna organize your different bids, so you wanna organize your different ads. So I'm gonna name this Zoo Animal. Give me some to help me remember what type of book I am advertising, okay? And keep the date. Okay, just like that. And once I have the general niche of the book and the date, I'm gonna scroll down and put in my daily budget. Okay, now this is again very cheap. You can find a solid winner with very little money. Okay, with daily budget, I'm gonna keep it at 4, maybe 5. Let's keep it at 4. Now for the targeting section, and that's using manual targeting, okay? I'm gonna be adding the keywords I wanna target, okay? So that's what I do, okay? I'm gonna go here to campaign bidding strategy. I'm gonna forego up and down and fixed bids, and I'm gonna keep it at dynamic bids down only. That means they will try to advertise for the amount I specified, or they'll go down in price, which is a good thing, okay? Especially if you're a newbie, you want to focus on this one here. Okay, now ad format, custom text ad or standard, just keep it at standard. This is very easy to do, guys. Keyword targeting, okay? You don't want product targeting, keep it at keyword targeting. And here we have 3 different ways to add keywords suggested. These are the keywords that Amazon has recommended for you. You can add some of these in, but what I like to do is go to enter list. Okay, go to enter list, and for the bid, what I like to do is go to custom bid, and I like to create an initial custom bid of 23 cents. Okay, 23 cents, and I am going to uncheck broad, uncheck exact. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do, uncheck broad and exact. Broad is any type of keyword phrase that has to do with your target keyword. Phrase is your keyword as is, optionally, along with other words. And exact is only your specific keyword phrase in that order, okay? So good to remember. You might wanna also test with broad, but I like to start off with phrase, okay, just phrase. And now we need to fill this with keywords. Now you can use tools like BookBolt, okay? Here I have BookBolt, and BookBolt's very specific to the KDP network. Or I also use, a lot actually, is a Google Keyword Planner, okay? You just put in your keyword in here. Let's go with animal coloring book. Animal coloring book, click get results, okay? And you're gonna get all of these different keywords that you can actually use. I'm gonna actually scroll down to show you I have 231 keywords. Actually, I like to start off with 200 keywords, so this is perfect for me. I'm going to click download keywords, click Google Sheets, and click download. Okay. I'm going to copy all of the keywords in here, Control C, and dump them in here. You know, I want to make a huge word list that's somehow, you know, relatively associated with my book, so I can find some cheap targeted keywords that will earn for me passively. Okay. Like I said, sometimes I play around with broad. I found some nice keywords that way. Actually, I'm gonna do that with this one here. Once I do that, I'm gonna click add keywords. And then I'm going to launch campaign. And that's it. I created my ad. Now I'm gonna wait for the manual reviewer to check my ad, make sure everything's okay. He or she's gonna publish it and my ad's gonna start running automatically. From then on out, I wanna check on my impressions. I wanna see if I'm getting clicks. I wanna get rid of the clicks that aren't converting into sales. And I wanna whittle it down to find the best group of keywords that's earning for me, you know, earning more than I spend. And that's it. Then I have a true passive winner on my hands. This is easy to do, guys. Again, especially with Amazon's advertising platform, this whole method to earn online, by far in my experience, I also successfully earn online with affiliate marketing. I'm also a product creator, but with Amazon KDP, it is the easiest. Okay, be good. Take care. Bye-bye.